Hi there! In my previous video, I showed you how to set up VPN on your Mac. If you haven't seen it, I'm adding link in the description, so check it out. And today I will show you how to switch between different VPN servers and how to find the one you actually need. So under the Start button, you can see the name of the server, which you'll connect to if you click Start. Let's click on the name of the server, and we get to the servers list. You can scroll it down. You can see they have a decent selection of VPN servers, and it's really cool. Just imagine that you are using a free app with one server, and all users that have this app are connected to one and the same server, so performance wouldn't actually be quite good. This provider has quite a decent list. You can scroll it looking for the server you need, or type its name, the name of the location here in the search field. For example, France. You can see the server, click on it, and wait for the connection to be established. That's it. So now you know how to connect to a VPN server, and in the next video I'll show you some tricks how to choose the best VPN server for your location. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll gladly answer you. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.